Ghana friends the road minister honorable Kwame Governors Agwaja papa na ni bra bre no on ma go slow bia o adwuma no ho a obo
nobody standing here is against whatever they are doing. They are doing the right thing. They are giving us ample time.
Major demolition exercise currently underway in Ashaiman, where affected Timber Market, Tulaku, and Afienya stretch no ni na affected no. Na Ghana de edre esre bi de ebi so we happy say yes I demolition exercise because e yakwan and e baba ye de mom at the same time ebi say your shops are say yesika kombe de ye bebre ebi nim so omu hu omu ne mampo ana me say ye mam notice ani ye mam notice one man say mu achaman kuje baya munkomachi se utimi tire mususu a unya notice na ote wo ye den na kwan no eye si ebeye eti yenya ma manfo nton ne ma okwan ho saa ade na mo pesa etu betwa eti muya de wumpe he one area me say ugoduru ho a human traffic enye se ye tinipa agoton wo bebi o debi enye cars anaye traffic humans nipa da sani ekono omutimi ebo pieso a utu na yentu na maka kura ye kwa yesa this is Ashaiman and road exercise ebekoso e wa Ashaiman stretch no so nya sa pressure na aba no ama manfo osu ebi so se eyo mo de eti ebi blidi e de bi su fili eye anase enye katra me e comment section na se subscribe like na share ma onua enya bi enwe edi no e ba akopɛ Maxi Billian I will naked truth Oldboga trends kai se obehye ama onua asunsa ka bi na se oti Ashaiman anase Ashaiman potemu a Oja say be careful. Now, Ghana friends the road minister honorable Kwame Governors Agwaja papa na ni bra bre no on may go through the adjuvan or ne ne abonitina yet was so. Now, way abra road minister any penifo amuo Ashaiman. Ayo madwin say sa Timber Market Tulaku honum egosi Afienya. Oma madwin say akwantimpon kwan efe dualizations of road ba because was our sector ho. Na eno na ya sha se bo amanfo nkaye da. Na so Ghana ni ohia ni so bon proud. On kan asem ne mani ntie ne. This otwan ama asem ni si na pressure fa ni wi afena. Ai ana nka mma emle kakra ka ho a obekọ so yamani 6 months. Na 6 months one time fan park on yamani firi a one day and as 24 hours. Eno na enough. Ha mwenye silo kakra ate. Eti ugo pebo a ende amanfo helter skelter obi dwane fa ha okoso ne nema wa ha yesi. Ansem kura mu duebu. Saa na kasofo omunso de firi on yenye a story building mo a omaso de din ye karwe nye na kwa ho no ma betena ho na anu ya ugo pemo kumase the same thing munso de kwa ho na ye biam se da be ya kase ba o me bia fa nipa so kwa o me bia fa still nipa da zene so on tiase aden ne tesa the only time a man who's a Ghana for I law abiding shout out to my people in Tadi for muti WhatsApp chese Ghana na so far area ba ko pa man so muti WhatsApp pa Tadi for sa adwuma ku road because ye duru ho contractor maye na omo stores e wo ho omo mtunton wache gobe ne doko no kwan ho no na omo ade omo pe acha se yi omo na mafiro ye ko bi se omo se na den contractor nya mayo se eden obaba na wo tia mani koduru wi na oba ahwe a wo na wo ni bebre enti enenne ye omo ma cha se park omo ne ma me say wow.
We say that the communication and the information that the road minister or the road authorities have given to us, we feel like it's the best. If this is the way they will be doing it all the time, they will be giving us, because they have given us ample time to do whatever. So today, nobody standing here is against whatever they are doing. They are doing the right thing. They are giving us ample time.
We no common. Enye regular kra. Ghana na me wono enye regular. Ene Ashaiman obi enu se Ashaiman for the se kaswa 40 en wa. Omo che omo so omo central region. Open another stubborn area for Ghana. Ashaiman for kan. Ashaiman. So mo agro no. Omo ye stubborn rough. Na yadi kan mo wo nya ka tire omo dada. Se kwan ye ba be ye. A dualization of roads. And you unim say edia ye be expand the road na da hoda da no. Na ye be stretch am na ye kese kakra. Anya mo mugokọ. Ana omayi omani atwi omani ti se panyi a oja na o careful so. Omfa hwe ho. Omayi omani ato bebi kra. Ene empani 40 si mu say okay o. Say ye de ka se mu nkọ. Ye ma warning. Ye ma mo mre. Munni mre fa mre no say mo niema. Na mu nkọ be bebi ufro nkọ no. Ma do say mu nkọ. Okay. Grader. Kick on, go on my markets. Etia se be yaduma. Ye ko dua fa ye dua fa na. Omo moto ne ma sha se twa da zo me say hey. Mamo me it is penifo ne penifo bone. You have been told. You were warned. And a man tiase. But the question is, are there the Ghanaian mentality is that same person want the road to be done. But that same person hate it. When all two and your council, ye jano. Na ene emra so say okay, sorry free o. Kope baby for sakotana. We anya ye tu omu yi. Baby omu say kono. Eye kwan hostel. Eye kwan ho no mesa akọ. Se kwan ho na okọ, we se kwan ho na okọ yesi ne. Ha de. Musisa mo ni man free ho. Atine be na we mu. The same Ghanaian who want a better Ghana. The same Ghanaian who hate to do the better things. I make better Ghana agenda no. Yenya. We said we are resetting Ghana. Yenya ye to ne atu aba. Edema John Dramani Mahama. My president, your president, our president. Yenya nye to. say we want to reset Ghana. Some of you say resetting my brains. Because as what they are board, you know, and from Vosobia Mray. Eti actions and Ekuzua Ekoso. Now, one for Musu Esun, but the government of the day, as is our congestion, there was an area on the Mupumbe when he ate through. Now, yeah, but ya quine, I'm making sure set traffic be anywhere. Now, what more to Tom on him? I'm saying, anti, you knew a day Ghana. Said ye heard Abrofi. More UK ni US ni America ni ho Germany mo se mo nto wa che okwan ho me boa se mo nton mo hu se nsuo ye nam ice water no enyunu no nam kwan ho kala wole bi ehye no nam kwan ho che se kwan ho kwan ne de ase de otene bi no oton ade na ye ma ho na ye tie na ekom fonko a ni ye ni na kom de enti de pa na beba say see any opportunity say baby I want a Russian na gaman for Kimpiski ni events the golden tulip omadua na nsa ene grab play back with to watching a mensan man say 250 Ghana and gaman for goto be at the right place near Emro. They will make sure say the same road now pedestrians ekoba no cars are busy now Ghana drivers na so abadam all contemporary them I bet they more road accident and come in middle of the town. And the purpose on can accident to speed be any can accident to but they be omonti ase eti way exercise no omo promo pro enso ebeko so na shops are affected no any shops kitwa na way amanfo osun say ase omo tenentem an kom sa omo ne mantem meze mo ye sure say man tenentem but mo kan okre but the kan okre ye modua ye ni watem ye ngase nya mentwa oka kanokure one tenentem but ye bubu awie no afei na shops are no ye ho a na ye mo no mantin afei no mo pre so mo pre mo niam afa na the whole world abrante ene ye chase okanokure che obia ba cho bebe o mehu ni bia no monka chense Maxi Billian aw naked truth mechiano.
If anybody say or communicate that what they are doing over here is not the right thing or they did not inform us, they came here on Tuesday. Japa himself came here on Tuesday to inform us. So if any property is being destroyed here, if anything is being destroyed here, or anything is being done here, it's at the right direction and we support it to the full. Like what my boss said, if the road is being constructed over here, look at the traffic congestion over here. If the road is constructed over here, it will help ourselves over here. Even though it has affected economic activities a little bit right now here, but we feel like it's the best. A country without development is no country. Thank you.
See, exercise no more or support 100%. I'm saying, wouldn't be the edition my ye. Or see, yes, your shops were her. American man for shops. People are not happy. But the bottom line, why more Anna Salquine, yeah, a bomb. I'm saying, why more? Or see, yeah. Or see, we still remain the same people who benefit. Say, yes, Spanish Road, we are. I don't get to say, me, you be able to add the Mushuquano. As I say, complaint to say the authorities 9 yard and so man yard doing. I won't find him no man yard. Omo ye the right thing. Ye mum ne ye the right thing. Edu ono de ordinary support na. E dey tell mo ti say, "Hey, omo relocate omo dada na omo na maso ade na omo nkoye." Enti mre na so, na so omo demolish amanfo ne ma. Ye demolish stores omo demolish buildings omo demolish. Na kwa ne mu na ho, emu tene yo. Am say, Won kwa na wo sa atadi fu adwene bi. If me say so far since me did demolition exercise from the greater Accra, more flat areas, utu muntu, notice a moon This is Ugo for soldiers, need not move for. Now you the bulldozers, every buildings go and some of them say, have national ampa. The same thing, Ugo Pimu Kumasia. Baby, I'm not saying my whole fee. Cholera bar, malaria bar, at Yenina. Yen chama mon kwa mu me na mewu enti mama yendi yemprapra ho mo so fi kwa no ya won baby mo to ade wo hey ana ya mo di adwuma firi nsem ana ye be na adidie yenka ase ade no da ton yenka ase ja ton die ka che wuna say you relocate to different place hai the purpose enya de ton eso still wo monti ase kaswafo ye kwesi new market amomu ya pe baby fufuro mo nkonkotena engoton ade omso mo nkona kwan ho enye market eso still ono se enye market o but what ton ade Ashaiman for ye be road samamo road ne ba be no mo na be benefit mo monko munyi mu stores ni free ho na mo se mo ne man free o man fi and now authorities aduru ho amu demolition no afa na bi complain afa na bi su afa na bi try say o mo ne ma na ene ba ko nam China na ba ko nam Dubai afa on be so sani na kabom amese ye kan ana manti na swantie so ne o mo atikobo eno na nka be kam ye afa de masa abranti say ono de of aso am say yes you too chama we champion wate eti demolition exercise ekoso ewo Ashaiman ukopie mu area say affected pa Timber Market Tulaku Tulaku na Afienya stretch sa area ho na aka na stores e obia no yabuatu obi because say ye be dualization of road ye mamu warning o mantie but emre na so ye mfa bogen fa nye swine ye so ye ntwen ema wo unye de opɛ Ghana nya wo dia ye na ye dia kwan na ebe nso ye na benefit ye na ebe nye so mfaso ye ma nkwan ho ntwa de menya mfaso abra sa kwan no the government of the day through the big push ana so ye kwan no upeu umpeu abensa ka na aden na Ghana for ya so edin sa aden na ye be ye bibi na aboa Ghana ye na no ye fight na resist it. Tell me why. I want to know why. Naturally ye too stubborn. Even when we know the thing that is going to be done, I the benefit of the people. I don't still I reject it. I want to know why. Tell me our comment section. Now say where we are. Subscribe it, like it. Next time we are you know, Maxi, Billian. I will naked truth. Oldboga trends. My crown. Bye bye.